Well, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey, I haven't done a channel welcome in a while. I know there's some new people out there that are watching, maybe want to know a little bit more about my channel. But essentially what I do here is I try to share different woodworking crafts and pass on the knowledge that I know and hopefully get you more confident in those skills as well. So I focus on three main areas, wood carving being a big one, then wood turning, which I do some videos on wood turning, and then wood crafts in general, stuff that's generally going to be for your home or maybe related to the outdoors. You'll notice a lot of outdoor themes in some of my projects. And like I said, most of my projects are quick turnarounds. So these are things that don't generally take multiple days. They're projects that maybe you can do on a lazy Saturday afternoon, and something that you can quickly make and turn around and show off to others or give away. So the YouTube channel is about 9 years old. Now I did start out with a website. I still have the website. It's even older, and it has several tutorials that are they're pictorial tutorials. They're photo rich, and they kind of take you step by step. And then I evolved into making the YouTube videos. Now, some of the articles in the blog, I have made some YouTube videos on those, and I link back and forth a lot of times between the website and YouTube. But one thing a lot of you may not know is I do have a lot of free woodworking plans out there. There's another site called Gumroad, which allows you to sell electronic documents, and so I do have about roughly 10 woodworking plans out there and a couple of ebooks out there that you might want to check out, and I'll leave a link in below. Right now everything out there is free. Now in the future I may choose to add a price to those, but all of those that are out there for free, if you'd like to support the channel and buy me a coffee, there's an option out there to donate to the channel. So check those out and let me know if you have any questions or follow up on any of those woodworking plans. Now over the years, what I've tried to do with the YouTube channel is I've been trying to build a woodworking resource for you guys. And so it's got a lot of playlists out there. If you don't know what a playlist is, basically a playlist is a way to combine a collection of similar videos. So for example, I have playlists on wood turning, I have playlists on wood carving, and then crafts. Antler crafts is another playlist that I have out there. So if you have a really specific area that you're interested in, I would suggest look for the word playlist and click on that. And at the end of the video, I'll also try to pop up some screens to show you some of those playlists. Okay, a little bit about me. I am a Southern boy from the state of Georgia. I was raised on sweet tea and Jesus, as we say down here. I'm an engineer by trade. And I love, so you can imagine, I love problem solving, and woodworking and woodcraft involves a lot of planning and problem solving. So it kind of fits right into, I guess, that engineer mentality. But I do enjoy passing on new things that I learn. And I was a training supervisor for about 18 years in the utility business. And so I wrote a lot of training curriculum and actually help produce videos. It was kind of in that period where I got introduced to making YouTube videos and started a channel of my own. So I grew up out in the country. My parents bought 6 acres of land out there, and that was sort of a homestead for us. And so I grew up out there and just learned a lot of ways to be self-sufficient. And my dad was a beekeeper, gardener. We were into hunting and fishing. And of course, we did a lot of woodworking, very practical woodworking on a homestead where, you know, you're trying to incorporate that into a lot of the homestead type projects. Now, I wouldn't classify myself as a master woodworker or a master craftsman, but I am trying to get better in certain areas, and that's just a process. It takes time to become proficient, and I think that's something we all should set a goal to be better at, whatever woodworking crafts that we're involved in, to try to get better and better at those. But for me and this channel, you know, I'm mainly the type of person that just wants to jump in and, you know, start a project, learn how to do things. And it's me, it's about enjoying the process, right? And that's a stress relieving way to, you know, live your life and to have a good hobby like woodworking, where you can learn something new and then hopefully pass that on to future generations. So I hope you enjoy my channel. I hope that it brings some joy to your life, especially if you're learning about new woodworking hobbies and you want to get into a woodworking hobby. There's an area below the videos for comments, and comments are like the front porch. You know, growing up, I used to sit on the front porch with my grandmother and relatives, and we would ask questions and talk about life and get caught up. So I hope you'll kind of treat the comment area like that. And if you've got any questions or comments, please share. As my grandmother used to say, if something is a huckleberry above your persimmon, then don't fear. Just ask that question. There's no dumb questions out there, and I will try to get you an answer. I may not have the answer, perfect answer, but I'll try to get you an answer. And I do look at all the comments. I try my best to respond to all the comments. So I appreciate you reaching out if you can. So thanks for watching, and don't forget, create with purpose, build for the joy of it, and serve somebody today. God bless you, and happy woodworking. If you're interested, check out the playlist like I mentioned before, and I should be some shooting up on the screen right now that you can check out. Thank you for joining me, and we will see you in the next video.